everyone, Amanda here, thanks for joining me. So I'm here to share some more Happy Mail. This one I've received today, and I've got another box that I received a day or so ago that I just need to quickly share and say thank you for as well. So this one is from my crafty friend Tanya O'Keefe. I've known Tanya for years and years and years through crafting, yeah, she's lovely. She's a beautiful crafter as well. She doesn't share her crafting as much as she should. So if you're listening, Tanya, get sharing more. I've had crafty swaps and things from Tanya and things that she's sent before, so I know how amazing she is. She hides it, even though she's got a front room full of craft stuff. So she sent me this lovely rack. Random act of kindness, and I did open it very quickly, and then when I realised what it was, I thought I'll come and film it because I'd just like to say thank you to everybody. So yeah, so first of all, on the top here we've got some fantastic papers. There's some graphic 45 ones. Those are the monthly ones. I do have some of these already, but it's always a bonus if somebody sends you some more, because you only get one of each in this pad, and so to have two sheets of the same is really useful, because one side's got all the fancy bits on and the other side's plain. So I've got both now. And then she sent me these beautiful, like winter themed, I think they're meant to be, but they're beautiful. Those are really lovely, like paint effect 6x6 papers, so thank you for those. She did, there's a little card here, but I didn't open it, like I say, because look at that little detail on there, beautiful. She glued it shut, so now I'm going to have to wreck the envelope. Little card, look at that, isn't that sweet? All that effort for a little card, that's what I mean. Oh, Tanya, Amanda, having a little sort out and thought you might be able to use this slot. So she's sharing a stash with me, and that's super kind, isn't it? Thank you. You are kind. And she's made this box. Look at that, hello friend. That's a die cut. That's lovely, that. I shall save that. So what's in here? This is a little box that she's made. Isn't she clever? Look at that. I like that. Oh, that's got my name on it. Oh, look at that. Oh, have you got an embroidery machine as well, you clever monkey? That's fabulous. That's like a key charm, isn't it? Oh, I love that. Thank you. That's really lovely. I shall put that on my door key. Thank you, Tanya. I really like that. Look at how clever you are. Are you clever monkey? What else is in here? She sent, oh yes, I've got one. Now, she shared these on Facebook, and I commented how fabulous they were. Everybody commented how fabulous they were because they were super. And these are pokey tool, so it's got a, you know, for taking stickers off, or you know, double-sided tape. But she's made it, and you know, it's a fancy one with beads. How fab's that? And then on the top there, she's put this little tag thing with these little... I'm absolutely in awe. That is absolutely lovely. And you might think, you know, because it's beads, that it'd be too bulky, but because she's gone down in sizes, it's perfect. I love that. I'm going to have to hide that. It's my Lex, it always steals my pokey tools. I'm going to hide that because what I'm using at the moment is these. And there's no, they're hard to use because there's no, that bit hurts you, so thank you. Super grateful for that. I'm going to put that there in front of me so I know where it is. That's really lovely. Thank you, Tanya. Oh, look at these lovely laces she sent me. Oh, I'm going to need to come up with a better system of storage for my laces. I am, because at the moment they're all kind of just in a drawer, and it's a messy way of doing it. This is lovely, perfect for journaling, and she sent me loads. I'll wrap that up in a minute. And this one as well, look at that, perfect for journals, for edging. And is that doubled over? Or yeah, that's beautiful. I bet that'd make nice flowers as well. Yeah, beautiful. Thank you. And what we've got some tassel. Lovely. Thank you. Oh, there's a little flower there. I hope that hasn't fallen off something. I'll put it there just in case it has. Or it might just be a renegade flower. Oh, this is nice. I've had this before. I used to actually sell this years ago. It's beautiful, is that? It's like the Chinese bread, but it's beaded. Beautiful. I did used to sell one the same as that years ago, and I don't have any. Lovely. Beautiful. Thank you. That's a good way, isn't it, of storing them in those, like, I should imagine that then sits in a box like that so you can sift through. That's a nice idea. Should imagine that the arms of the tea there rest in a box, so that's a good idea, isn't it? Unless it's just got destroyed and it were like this, like a bigger one, but that's actually a cool idea, that. Right, let's have a look. We've got some more lovely lace here. Look at that, one's pretty. Really pretty. The light's a bit bright today. I don't think I've got my... let's change. Let's have a look and see if we can... is that one better? No, that looks yellow. We'll have that one. That one's a bit softer, isn't it? It's quite early in the morning, so the natural light just isn't there. That's pretty. Thank you. That's so kind. I'm wondering if this little flower's come off of this. I'm going to save it and I'll ask her. What's this? Oh, that's a little punch. I've not seen one like that. I wonder what that does. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Some nosy. Oh, I don't know if it'll punch through that. Let's use this envelope that she's sent. Let's see what it does. So it's, oh, right, okay, so it does two little lines like that. That's cool, isn't it? Yeah, that's different. Thank you. Oh, the flowers are loose in the bottom. That's what they are. She sent me some. So it hasn't fallen off anything, so I can stop panicking. These are lovely. They look like wild orchid. I remember wild orchid crafts in the past. They were fabulous. I think she's just put them in loose in the bottom. I hope so. I hope they haven't fallen off, whatever this here is. What's this? Some more little bits of lace. Oh, lovely. Thank you. And then what's this? Look at that cover. That's real. Look at that. That's lovely. Very well made. How does this go? Oh, it's got an eyelet. Not an eyelet. What do they call them? Press stud. That's lovely, isn't it? Oh, look. So it's got paper clips in. Oh, these are crocheted. Have you made those? They're cute. Oh, that's nice. Ah, righto. It's like a little folder to put things in. Oh, that's good. So she's obviously made this herself. Oh, that's cool, isn't it? Oh, and it slides out as well. Oh, that's clever, because oh, you've got pockets each side, so you could put what you wanted in there. That's lovely. She's obviously made this with like a cinch or something. So let me I'm just nosy how she's made that, because that's a clever idea. Let me have a look. Is it the same? What's she done there? Just talk amongst yourselves. I'm just having a look at this. Yeah, so it's got like slots there, so you can slide things through, like obviously for paper clips and stuff. So that's cool, isn't it? That's a really cool idea. These different, oh, they're different ones. I thought they were the back of those. So she's done those, and then she's done these little ones. They're cute. Ah, right, so you can feel it. Ah, that's different, isn't it? I've not seen one like that before. That's a clever idea, that. Lovely, lovely. Let me just, and then it slides in there. What a lovely way of storing things. thank you. That's really beautiful. Lovely. Thank you, Tanya. That's very kind. I shall side all of these, find a home for all of these. This afternoon when I get into do some crafting, I do use everything that people send me. I do use them. And then this one is from Nicola Mason. I have had a look at this one. I hadn't gone into Tanya's yet, but I have had a look in this one. She sent me this a couple of days ago, but I hadn't had a chance to film. And she just sent it as a random act of kindness again. So we've got some washi tapes there, which are always useful, aren't they, washi tapes? Lovely. And then she sent me these scissors that cut like a fancy border. See if we can have a look. Yeah, so it cuts like that. That's nice, isn't it? And they're actually nice and sharp. Some of these, I've got some of these and they're not very good, but those are nice ones. What's this one? This is a stamp. It looks like it's a chair. A vintage chair. That's cute. We've got these embellishments. These are cool because you can. I was thinking I could add these on dangles for journals and stuff. Well, that's cool. And then she sent me some stamps, different ones. They're cute. I like that one with the hand and the steampunk hand and the gears. I don't have any gears, so that's really useful. I've got a stencil, I've got a die cut, and now I've got a stamp, so that's good. Then she sent these, they're like little tags, element deck. I'm not quite sure, I've not seen these before, but they're like little shaped tags. I suppose you could use them for anything, mate. Putting them in journals, collaging, everything will get used. I am going to start doing some form of journaling every day for mindfulness for myself, so I will be using that. She sent me some glitter, which is kind, and there was another one. This one's got like little glass beads in. That's really kind. And then she sent me this lovely journal that she's made, so let's have a quick look in here. So let's have a look. I can tell straight away these are Artie Mae's papers. She's put some lovely fabric clusters on. That's lovely, isn't it? Lovely, beautiful. I'm trying to be quick. Oh, that's cute. I like these little paper clips. That's a nice little journal, that, isn't it? It'll go on my shelf with other little journals. I've got a few that people have sent me. Mostly Kay, to be honest. And I got one recently from Pauline Newton. I've got some mini ones, like notebook ones from Ian Potter. I don't have many full journals. That's nice, isn't it? I don't have many actual journals from other people. Lovely. That's really, really cute, is that? So there's two signatures. I like that little clip there. That's cute. Those are papers. Oh, look at that with all those little cutouts in. That's lovely. And I like the way that the markings on that coffee dyed or tea dyed paper have come out. That's really close. That's really good. I wonder how she's done that. It looks like marbling. Lovely. Yeah, look at that. That's lovely. Really nice. I need to do some myself. I've got absolutely no coffee dyed paper at all left. I've used all of it, so I need to spend a day making some. Oh, another one of those little paper clips there. Butterfly and some paper. That's really lovely. I like the markings on the back of that as well. That's really lovely, Nicola. Thank you. I shall fasten that back up and it'll go on my shelf. So massive thank you to Nicola and Tanya there. And this is going to get, I'm going to have to hide this so that my cheeky monkey doesn't steal it. So thank you so much. I'm really grateful. I should be back later on today at some point with a tutorial, because we're back to normal now. Christmas is finished. Soon over, isn't it? Back to normal. We're gonna get creating. So I'm gonna have my brew. I do my chores and then I'm gonna get creative. So I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.